Hello, everyone. As you can see, I have a picture here of Keisha Michelle Samudio, which is the president of PRCUA Life California Agency LLC. Most of you have talked to her and also have seen her do various presentations on training for the products with PRCUA Life California Agency LLC with the PRCUA carrier exclusively to California. I'm gonna let you know about something exciting that she's doing today. Her and myself, we had a little wager that we were doing, or a little bet against, we were just creating a little competition today. So today, just to let you know that I do something. I set up an appointment for next Thursday with a couple while I was busy doing other things. So actually not a couple, but this lady who has her parents who need life insurance. So I set up an appointment there. And then Keisha, she won pretty much because she set up an appointment for today. So today she is already on her way, a 15-minute drive away, which is today we're on November 27, 2019. It is 5:24 p.m. So she is a mother. She has a 13-year-old kid. We have a family. We are getting ready for Thanksgiving tomorrow, to enjoy the family. But you know what? We're excited about PRCUA Life. We're excited. We're excited about the products. We're excited about everybody joining in, and just looking forward to the success that we're gonna have together. So let me tell you what Keisha's gonna do. She got this. She set up this appointment with this person, and of course we show people how to make appointments. So this is what she did, which is how we show people to set up appointments. Before we go see the appointment, we dig for information because we want to make sure that we're going to see some quality people that can actually buy the life insurance, right? So she asked this lady how much life insurance she has. And the lady says, I don't know, somewhere around 100,000. She's paying like $180 a month. And she is, okay, who is it with and what kind is it? She says, I don't know, but it's kind of like an investment. It's guaranteed never to lose principal. And Keisha says, okay, well, how old are you? The lady says, about 51, whatever, I forgot, 52 years old. Okay, so do you have your retirement account set up? Yes, my pension. Do you have this? Do you have that? A 401k? Yes, I have that. Okay, great. So then pretty much you're wasting your money on that index UL product that you have pretty much. Keisha knows what it is. She says, yeah, that's what it is. It's an index UL. Well, so you're paying, like what, 150, 180, whatever it was. The lady says, yeah, somewhere around there. Okay. And you have like how much coverage? And I don't remember, so I'm not going to make it up. But I know that Keisha says that she's making the minimum premium. And we always could tell. We always could tell, okay? We always can tell when people are paying the minimum premium. So she said, now Keisha, we were ready to do dinner. And I have a giant king size crab leg that I enjoy, 1 pound of it. I got it at Costco, and I smoked some steaks for her, and I have some tri-tip on the side. So we're ready to like just enjoy dinner. But what happened was the lady called her up, right? She was on her way back. She did her eyelashes. Keisha was on her way back, and so we're busy, right? It's the day before Thanksgiving, and I'm over here at home just having the steaks and the dinner ready, and she's gonna come home, and she says, the lady called me up. She wants to meet like right now. And that's what happened, by the way, guys. And I'm like, well, go. And I'm like, anyway, so here I am. And she decided to go. She got ready really, really quick. I'm slow. I take a while, I reverse the whole thing here. I get ready. I have to shampoo my hair and everything, comb my hair and dry my beard. And I don't know. I just take a long time, guys. Weird. I take a long time. She got ready like that on the snap, and she says, I'm leaving you. I'm going to go, and I'm going to close this. I said, yeah, just go close it, man. She's paying minimum premium. Close it. Close the traditional whole life policy. I'm going to be on standby. So right now. I just gave her a quick call. We were just chatting, right? You're just laughing. She's over there stuck on the traffic a little bit, and we didn't even talk about the business or anything. We were just laughing, just talking real quick, because I didn't get a chance to talk to her today, and much. So, anyways, she's on her way right now to an appointment to close. And I said, hey, close it for whatever. It doesn't matter if you don't close it for $200. The lady, she's not paying enough into her index UL. What good is it going to do her if she's going to be retiring in like 7 years? When you do the Rule 72, and she knows this because I had taught this to her, the Rule 72 is an Albert Einstein formula, guys. When you do a Rule 72, you got to remember that the Rule 72 doesn't apply the first 7 to 10 years, depending on what interest rate you're using. It doesn't apply when you're doing monthly premiums, because the people don't have a lump sum, so that this way you can use an appropriate measure of the Rule 72. The first 10 years, what I teach the agents is, the first 10 years is the accumulation period. The true Rule 72 should go thereafter. Okay, so this lady, she has what? One Rule of 72 segment. So if she's 52, let's say, and we could get her 10% rate of return, her money will double in 7.2 years, 7.8, something like that. 7.2 actually. So if this lady's putting in $180 a month minimum premium into her index UL, she's not even going to have what she put in, because she's paying a minimum premium, and it's not going to double. It's not going to compound. It doesn't have enough time. The first 10 years, pretty much you're paying for premiums. You're paying for cost of insurance. You're paying for mortality. You're paying for premium expenses. You're paying for the cost of taxes. You're paying for the riders, all of this. So the first 10 years, you didn't even make enough to be above what you initially put in. So the first 10 years shouldn't even be counted. So this lady was sold this life insurance policy a year ago, and now, what kind of hope is she going to have using this index UL for her retirement if she's going to retire in 7 years? Keisha knows that. I didn't have to explain all that to her. She already knows. She's seen me close. She's going to go over there and replace this policy with a traditional whole life. And that's what we do. That's what we're going to teach you guys. Our fraternal agents are going to be able to identify these alerts on alert type of reasons of why this should replace. We're in to make a killing here with PRCUA Life. We're going to show fraternal agents. We're going to show you how to replace out there all these policies and why they should be with us. I'm going to teach you guys. We're going to teach you. All right. More to come later. We're going to go ahead and do another little video on Keisha talking about her clothes. Okay? Or what happened. And if it didn't happen, you know what? She went, right? She went. So most likely she's going to close. She'll tell us we'll get there when we get there, when we cross that bridge. And we're going to cross that bridge tonight. Talk to you all later. Have a great, great day.